So we're gonna show you the setup. It's very easy. You pick one of the discs. They all have different configurations, so the muscle never gets used to doing the same workout, the same exercise. You install it inside the case. You have a resistance wheel on one side and you have the main wheel where you install the disc. You clip it into place and then you close the support arms so it's safely and secure into the casing. Then you close the lid and it's ready to use. You're gonna adjust the tension here so that clearing those stops, those bumps, are gonna be easier or gonna be harder depending on your level of fitness, the level of the intensity of your workout. So we have this already set up over here. I'm going to show you the basic, the way to use it, the way you apply the Kinexor sequence. So we talk about slow motion movement. This is how we go. Slow motion means super slow, as slow as you can. The slower you do it, the harder it is actually. Seems like it's easy, but it gets harder and harder because you're not using momentum and you're not pulling right through the stops. When you find the stop, you're going to do a 5-second isometric hold. And if you want to do it harder or increase your intensity, you hold it for longer time. You can go for 10 seconds or 15 seconds. In this case, I'm just doing 5 so that I show you a whole rep. 5 counts, I go through till the next stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm maxed out and then I release. When I release, it's important that you keep your muscle under tension. You don't go all the way down so you rest and you turn the muscle off. You want to keep the muscle engaged and you want to keep on going in a circle of motion. Yeah, the cycle continues. You start over, 5-second hold, click through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So the key is when you're releasing, you don't rest. You keep the muscle actively engaged. And you start over and continue like that until you reach muscle failure, ideally. Usually 10 to 12 reps is about what you're going to need to reach muscle failure. You're going to add more resistance with different accessories until you find what is the optimal amount of reps for you to achieve this muscle failure.